It says even the entry-level Rumblebee with the 5.7 Hemi can produce over 600 horsepower when equipped with the supercharger. Look, all right, ladies and gentlemen, let's jump into it right away. We got another fun little video. I'm telling you right now, every single week I log in to do these automotive news videos, these automotive reactions. All I see is Dodge everywhere. Listen to this. You can now supercharge the Ram's Rumblebee past 900 horsepower without voiding the warranty. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get into it. Remember to hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button for your boy. Share out the videos. It helps us grow. We got the article here from Car Scoop. Man, look at this. This truck looks amazing. This direct connection Ram's Rumblebee looks insane. Listen, trucks, muscle car, that era is officially back, ladies and gentlemen. It says even the entry-level Rumblebee with the 5.7 Hemi can produce over 600 horsepower when equipped with the supercharger. Look, the 5.7 has always been that, has been the younger son of the group, has been the one that you kind of buy, where you say, okay, I don't need so much power. I don't want to waste so much gas, but I still want to feel some rumble. I still want to feel some push. So I'm going to get the 5.7. And actually, I'm in that group because this year I want to get a new a Dodge Durango, which, by the way, we already have a new daily, and I'm dropping that video this week where we're going to do a review of a new daily that I got. But I do want to get the Dodge Durango, and the one that I'm looking at is the 5.7. And listen to this article, and it says Direct Connection has introduced a new accessories for the Ram Rumblebee. It includes a supercharger, a lower suspension, and a sport exhaust. The supercharged variants have outputs between 600 horsepower and 900 horsepower. It says the sport trucks are back, and Direct Connection is making them even more extreme. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks to a series of accessories for the 2027 Ram 1500 Rumblebee, they offered a mix of sportier styling and improved performance. Now, let's talk about what is the pricing and where does the horsepower kick come in. It says to kick things off is a 3.0 liter twin screw supercharger that costs $10,995, $11,000 before installation. When paired with the Rumblebee's 5.7 V8, the output climbs from 395 to 600 horsepower. Listen, that's a pretty good jump. Now, the question is, are you willing to spend that kind of money, stay within factory, and gain and go from, what it's to be 400 horsepower to 600? So you're gaining about 205. The package also includes 5.7 supercharged badges and great supercharged covers. Likewise, for the Rumblebee 392, and we're going to see the 392 on the Dodge Durango, by the way, ladies and gentlemen. And the 392 track pack sees their 6.4 liter Hemi V8 go from 470 to 700 horsepower, ladies and gentlemen. That's a bump of 230 horsepower. That's insane. The extra power is accompanied by a 392 supercharged badging and red supercharged covers. Look at the picture of this here. This looks amazing. This looks like a godly engine, engine here, like a compartment here. Just looks amazing. We got the filter here, we got some carbon fiber in the middle here with the Rumblebee. We got the yellow because of the the bee color. It just looks great. I love it. We have it here on a different color. We see the supercharge up top. This one has a different filter. Listen, man, Dodge, listen, Stellantis has to you guys. No cap, really. Ram didn't forget about the range-stopping Rumblebee SRT, which is a supercharged 6.2 liter Hellcat V8 that goes from 777 horsepower to a targeted output that goes over 900 horsepower, ladies and gentlemen. While the final number remains to be seen, the upgrade will unlock insane performance as the regular model hits a 0 to 60 in 3.4 seconds, and it runs an 11.6 at the quarter mile. Give it that at 900, you're already dropping into the tens. The good news doesn't end there, as a supercharge comes with a 5-year, 60,000-mile warranty, limited powertrain warranty when installed by an ASE certified Mopar technician. This is the exhaust here. It says Direct Connection Mopar. Besides the supercharge, owners can get a stainless steel catback exhaust by MagnaFlow, and it features 5-inch tips with Direct Connection badging that, it says the promise to deliver smooth, deep, and aggressive tone. The pricing starts, and let's get into it. The pricing starts at $1,600 for the 5.7, and it climbs all the way up to $2,200 to $2,300 for the other engine variants. And then we go into the suspension kit. I honestly think Ram knocked it out of the park with these trucks. Huge wide fenders here, huge back. I mean, this is just great. This is what would be a next step over the SRT 10. And that just looks great. Direct connection badging on the side, thick wheels here. You know, when I look at these trucks, obviously I get that vintage vibes from back in the days of the SRT 10, the Viper motor that we saw on the Rams truck. And then we look at this one in the front. The only thing I might not be a huge fan of is this lip right here, because this lip, to me, when I look at the lip, it reminds me of like a shovel, like you're picking up dirt, kind of like that shovel. And I hate to talk about that because I don't want to put a mental picture into people's mind. We get a huge scoop, huge vented hood here, which looks great. Huge badging in the front. If we go to the back, we get the deck lip here, direct connection, where you can see it a lot more clear. I got to tell you, man, they knocked it out of the park. The Rumblebee and the Rumblebee 392 can be equipped with direct connections suspension kit by Ritech. It is built as a comprehensive lowering package that tackles Rumblebee's aggressive stand and responsive handling to the next level. The kit provides a 1-inch, which is about 25 millimeter drop in the front, as well as a 3-inch drop in the rear. It includes HQ series coilovers with impact forged aluminum body monotube shocks, 24-way adjustable dampening, CNC cold wound height tensible steel spring for exceptional strength and durability. Now, the suspension will set you back about $4,600, and it comes with a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty. This is the graphics on some of the packages when you get them. Direct connection here on the side, 392, 6.2 supercharged. So if you were to get, and let me actually move this a little bit, if you were to get one of those packages, you are going to get the badging here on the truck. So everything comes legit, and it comes with a warranty. It's like if you got it out the dealer. Yellow brake calipers. I love these wheels. This looks like a beehive kind of wheel. This looks great. I like it, man. I have nothing negative to say about this. This looks great. Last but not least, Direct Connection offers a series of graphic packages that are color-coded to match the supercharged kit. That means gray for the Rumblebee, red for the Rumblebee 392, and yellow for the SRT variant. All right, boys, this video is sponsored by CarLock. Let me tell you something. If you're a car guy like me, if you love modding your vehicle and buying those expensive parts, make sure that the first part or that first mod you do to your vehicle is the CarLock real-time GPS system. And I'm going to tell you something right now. You think you're going to take your vehicle somewhere, you're going to park it, you're going to lock the doors and walk away. Well, think again, because around 850,000 vehicles get stolen every year in America. That's about one vehicle every 37 seconds. And the recovery rate is less than 1 out of 3. And with CarLock, you actually get that peace of mind. This is the first mod I have ever done and will ever do to any vehicle I purchase from now on. CarLock has been a sponsor of the channel for quite some time. And let me tell you about some of the benefits that CarLock brings. Tamper and monitoring alerts. If anybody turns on the engine, if anybody moves the vehicle, if anybody opens the windows or opens the door or actually disconnect the system, which is the biggest questions everyone gets. What happens when you disconnect the system? Well, you're going to get a motion and you're going to get an alert like the one you see on the screen here. Now, if you want to find out more info on CarLock, if you want a 14-day trial, if you want a discount, make sure you use my codes JAVIVIBES, and all the links are on the description below. Let's continue. There are hood and body side graphics, and the lather two colors really pop on black trucks. We can also see a cool direct connection badge on the grill, but sadly, that's just a conceptual design feature. Parts for the Rumblebee are scheduled to launch alongside the truck in the fourth quarter. Likewise, components for the 392 and the SRT should arrive alongside their launches in the first half of 2027. Now, look at this right here. And this is some of the prices I want to get into. The Rumblebee SRT with the DC Supercharged kit plus installation, you're looking at $105,000. With it regularly, you'll be looking at $94,000. So this would be the jumps: $59,000 to $70,000, $69,000 to $80,000, $79,000 to $90,000. And this over here will be the TRX SRT DC Sport Direct Connection Supercharged kit will go from $99,000 to $110,000. And that's just, if you want to rumble, if you want to party, that's the kind of money you got to pay for it. Ladies and gentlemen, let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'll see you on the next one.